Shubha Shukla from CNS, and I welcome you all to the special session of She and Rights Initiative, that is Sexual Health with Equity and Rights, on the live stage at ICFP 2025 in Bogota. We are delighted to be joining you here in Bogota and online around the world as we celebrate the winners of the second edition of the She and Rights Media Awards. This second edition of She and Rights Media Awards drew 369 applications from 32 countries. We congratulate all applicants and finalists and applaud their commitment to gender equality and right to health. We are honored to present 2 awards to 2 outstanding journalists here whose work has advanced sexual and reproductive health and rights through their dedicated reporting that aligns with the core values of this initiative, which is integrity, inclusion, and impact. First of all, I take this opportunity to thank our partners, Global Center for Health Diplomacy and Inclusion, CEHDI, for your unwavering support for the She and Rights Project, the ICFP Secretariat for inviting us here to celebrate with you today, and all the esteemed 28 judges from 17 countries whose expertise made the selection possible. Without further delay, I invite Dr. Helices Getahun, founder and CEO of CEHDI, to the stage. He is there on the stage, I think, to present the first prize in the African region. And the first prize goes to Audrey Galabu. Thank you. Now we move to our next award. I'm pleased to invite Sai Jyotirmay Racheria, Deputy Executive Director of Asian Pacific Resource and Research Center for Women, ARROW, to join us and to present the first prize for the Asia Pacific region to Betty Herlina from Indonesia. Thank you very much. I now invite Kelsey Armstrong and Biruk Tedros, both from CEHDI, to please announce the rest of the awards.
Thank you, Shobha.
Thank you. So our second prize in the African region goes to Okelu Jesus O'Hara from Uganda.
And second prize in the Asia Pacific region to Swampa Majumdar from India.
Third prize in the African region goes to Basi Ikpang from Nigeria.
And third prize in Asia Pacific region, Kalpana Aichiara from Nepal.
Next, we will read our special mention awards. To Jasmine Floretta, Mohammed Rifaldi Zelan, and Purnama Ayu Rizki. Mame Diara Bosu from Senegal. Peace Oreg Besan from Nigeria. Hadiza Abdulraham from Nigeria. And Chinyere Elizabeth Okorafor from Nigeria.
We also want to honor the special mentions to Joyce Narumgambe from Uganda, Hamu Madzete from Zimbabwe, Memede Ambrosine Azodazasi from Togo, Esther Nakazi from Uganda, Wallace Mawire from Zimbabwe, and Babakar Sene from Senegal. Congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you, Kelsey and Biruk. These awardees embody the vision of She and Rights journalism that centers rights, amplifies marginalized voices, and holds systems accountable. Their stories shine a light on issues that often remain hidden, yet need more attention than ever in this age of regressive policies and anti-rights narratives. Tomorrow at 5 p.m. sharp, we invite you back to this stage for high-impact interviews with each of today's awardees, that is Betty and Audrey, diving deeper into their work, the challenges they face, and their messages for the world. Please come to listen in, share, and engage with these conversations. And we call upon our audience to amplify these stories, support rights-based journalism everywhere, and engage with the cutting-edge content this project is producing. Once again, a big thank you to all participants, our partners, and you, the audience, for being here to celebrate courageous journalism. Special thanks to ARROW, that is Asian Pacific Resource and Research Center. Sai is here with us, her Deputy Executive Director. Thanks to IPPF, International Planned Parenthood Federation. Harjot Khosa, I think she should be in the audience. And WGNRR, the Women's Global Network for Reproductive Rights, for partnering with us in making She&, Rights Initiative a huge success. I now invite the presenters, awardees, and organizers to the stage for a group photograph. Thank you.